Hello Fly Babies, it's me, your FlyLady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to help you learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Tuesday. I'm still in the mountains. It's my second full day in the mountains. Today we're going to an apple orchard. I'm very excited about that. I love this day. All days with my spouse, all days on vacation. It's always good. And I always love my days with you as well. Okay, today is a 2-layer cake. It's Tuesday, it's free day. So we have our routines and we have our free day. That's it. No zones today, no project today. Two things. If you're working, you're going to do your routines, and you're going to have this day to do free things for yourself. So in your lunch hour, you're going to try not to do anything for the home, and when you come home, you're not going to do anything. Now, in the routines, we do have laundry, we do have paper, we have our morning routine, of course, and then we have our after dinner and our before bed routine. So those things are going to happen. This is not a vacation day. It's a free day. And even here on vacation, I get up in the morning, I get myself ready, I make the bed, I wipe out the sink. So far I haven't swished the toilet, but this cabin belongs to my sister, so I really need to get back on the ball. And it takes 1 second. In fact, I've inspired myself. When I'm done with this video, I'm going to go swish the toilet. All right, so you're going to do your routines every day, even on your free day, okay? And then you're taking your free day. Now, those of you who are working, who have split up something to be done for 5 days, you may have to do that or delegate that thing. For example, your weekly home blessing hour. That's it. So, we're doing our morning routine, we're getting our kids through their routine, then we're going to do, if you're staying home, you're putting in your laundry, you're doing your paper routine, you're enjoying some free time. Then you're going to make dinner, you're going to have after dinner routine, put the kids in bed after you've done their before bed routine, you're going to do your before bed routine. That's your day. If you're working, you're going to do your morning routine. If you have children, put them through their morning routine, and you're going to go to work. When you're at work, you're going to enjoy yourself today on your lunch hour and maybe have lunch with a friend, or maybe just read quietly. Or you know what I used to do? Take a nap in my car. I know. I lived in a safe place though, and it was under a big oak tree. The other thing that you're going to do is call your family on your last break to remind them of any delegated duties. And then when you get home, you're going to put in some laundry, you're going to do your paper routine, and you're going to prepare dinner. That's it. You've got free time in between there. You may not have a lot of free time, but you'll have more than you would if you were doing your 15 minutes in the zone and maybe 10 minutes of your weekly home blessing hour or whatever other thing you were doing, 10 or 15 minutes, meaning your basic weekly plan. All right, so that's it. You're going to get the kids in bed, you're going to do their before bed routine, and then you're having your before bed routine. Don't forget that all of you, no matter what day of the week it is, we're having 3 clutter checks a day to prevent the clutter from coming back in, and we are doing an inspect what we expect. So you're still a parent. That doesn't go away. That's it for today. Have a wonderful day, and always remember that you are beautiful.